0 to 180 degrees. What is the meaning of 0 to 180 degrees? This is the straight line. Next one. Let, what is the definition? Let alpha or theta be an angle. Let alpha be an angle. Let alpha be an angle. First of all, what is the meaning of angle? Once you check that one. Once you see it. An angle, left eye and right eye. Once you see the chart piece, left eye and right eye. And this is the left eye and this is the right eye. Chart piece. These two are rays. And this is angle. And this is angle. Left eye and right eye. Two rays common ending point. And two rays common ending point is called angle. Two rays common ending point is called angle. Let alpha be an angle. Anti-clockwise rotation. Anti-clockwise. Let alpha be an angle. Anti-clockwise rotation. Anti-clockwise means and this is the clockwise. And this is clockwise. Anti-clockwise means reverse order. And anti-clockwise means order as, then this is the clockwise rotation. What is the meaning of anti-clockwise? Reverse order. Anti-clockwise orientation. Anti-clockwise orientation. Let alpha be an angle. Anti-clockwise orientation. And positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis. Denoted by is first alpha be an angle, anti-clockwise orientation, positive direction of x-axis. Is called inclination of a line. Is called inclination of a line. Denoted by m equal to tan theta. Denoted by m equal to tan theta. And once you observe that one, and sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cosecant, cot. 6 trigonometric functions. But you are taking only m equal to tan theta. What is the reason? Why are you taking m equal to tan theta? And y equal to x line. Y equal to x. Bisecting the angle. Y equal to x line. Bisecting the first coordinate angle. And each angle are 90 degrees. Bisecting means 45. Bisecting means 45. And first one, theta equal to 0 degrees. And theta equal to 45 degrees. Theta equal to 90 degrees. And three conditions. Slope of horizontal line x-axis 0. And slope of vertical line y-axis undefined. Slope of horizontal line x-axis is 0. And slope of vertical line y-axis equal to undefined. And theta equal to 0. Answer is 0. Theta equal to 90 degrees. Infinity. And next one, y equal to x line. Rise over run. Dy by dx equal to 1. Dy by dx equal to 1. Dy by dx equal to 1 means y derivation dy by dx and x derivation 1. Rise over run. And 0 degrees 0, 45 degrees 1, 90 degrees infinity. Which trigonometric function are satisfied these three conditions? Only tan theta. Only tan theta are satisfied this condition. So you are taking only m equal to tan theta. Remember that one. Let alpha be an angle. Anti-clockwise orientation. Positive direction of a x-axis. And denoted by m equal to tan theta. And this is the slope. What is the formulas? Main various forms of straight line. First one, various forms of a straight lines. Various forms of straight line. Various form of a straight line. Slope of a line. Slope of a line. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then slope of a line m equal to minus a by b. M equal to minus a by b. Next, slope intercept form, most important. Slope intercept form. What is the slope intercept form? Y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Then y intercept c. M slope. Y intercept c and m equal to slope. Then y equal to mx plus c proof. Y equal to mx plus c. And this one. And this is y intercept c. And next one. And this distance x. Remaining total distance are y. Once you observe that one. And this is angle y minus c. Total distance are y. Some distance are c. Total distance, once you observe that one. Small example. Total distance 10. The distance 6. What about remaining distance? 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6. Same condition. Total distance y, small distance c. Remaining distance y minus c. Remaining distance are y minus c. Next one. M equal tan theta. M equal to opposite by adjacent. Y minus c divided by x. M equal to y minus c divided by x. Y minus c equal to mx. Remaining next one. Y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Same condition. Follow that one. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And plus ax shifted to right hand side. By equal to minus ax minus c. Then y equal to minus ax by b minus c by b. Compare these two lines. Then automatically m equal to minus a by b. Once you observe that one, slope of a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, m equal to minus a by b proof. Next, slope of intercept form. Slope intercept form. What is the slope intercept form formula? Y equal to mx plus c. C as y intercept, m as slope. Can you draw the x axis and y axis? X and y. And total distance y, some distance c. And this distance are x. Y minus c. Then m equal to tan theta, opposite by adjacent. Divide shifted to left hand side, minus shifted to right hand side. Y equal to mx plus c. Next, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Same condition, m equal to minus a divided by b. Next form. Slope of line joining points. Slope of line joining points. Slope of line joining points. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. And intercept form. Intercept form. Can you write the intercept form? What is the intercept form? Then intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Draw the line. A comma 0. Then 0 comma b. Then this distance a, this distance b. Once you observe that one point r passes through only x-axis. Now that's time y should be equal to 0. Now that's time y should be equal to 0. Next, same. One point r passes through y-axis. Now that's time x should be equal to 0. And point a comma 0 and 0 comma b. A comma 0 and 0 comma b. And line joining points. Point 2 point slope form. 2 point form. 2 point slope form. M equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Then m equal to, suppose x1 y1, x2 y2. A point x1 y1 point, a point x2 y2 point. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then finally m equal to minus b divided by a. Here what is the point of y1, y minus 0. Next, what is the point of m? What is the value of m value minus b by a? X minus a. Clear cut. Next one, a shifted to left hand side. A into y, ay, minus b into x, minus into minus plus a. And minus shifted to left hand side. bx plus ay equal to ab. Both sides divide AB. Both sides divide AB. B and B, A and A, AB, AB are cancelled. Here x by A plus y by B equal to 1. Then slope of line joining points y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. And next 2 point slope form. What is the 2 point slope form formula? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Next, intercept form. Intercept form, what is the meaning of intercept form formula? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. Then can you draw that one? And apply point P, x1, y1. Point, suppose point Q, x2, y2. A comma 0, 0 comma b. And substitute this one, m equal to minus b by a. Once you observe that one, here what is the value of y1? 0. And x1, a. Substitute here. A shifted to left hand side, a into y, ay, minus b into x, minus bx, minus into minus, plus ay equal to minus bx plus ab. The both sides AB divide. A, B and B are A and A are cancelled. A, B cancel. X by A plus Y by B equal to 1. X by A plus Y by B equal to 1. And important normal form. Can you write the normal form? What is the normal form? Normal form, x cos alpha y sin alpha equal to p. Then can you draw the diagram? P cos alpha comma p sin alpha. And this one 0 comma 0 x y. And this distance are p cos alpha, and this distance p sin alpha. Okay, this one are important. Perpendicular angle, and this is the perpendicular. What is the meaning of perpendicular? Slope of perpendicular form. Normal form y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, but perpendicular minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Small change. Normal m. Perpendicular minus 1 by m. What is the change of slope normal and perpendicular? Perpendicular means minus 1 divided by m. Y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. And same condition. M equal to, suppose, x1 y1, x2 y2, y2 minus y1, p sin alpha minus 0, x2 minus x1, p cos alpha minus 0, p and p are cancelled, sin alpha by cos alpha, and y minus y1, and you can take to reverse also same order, x2 y2, x1 y1, no problem, both are same. P and P minus negative and negative are cancelled. Sin alpha divided by cos alpha. Y minus P sin alpha equal to m minus 1 by m, not normal m. Minus 1 by m means cos alpha shifted to numerator into x minus P cos alpha. P sin alpha shifted to left hand side. Y sin alpha p sin square alpha equal to minus x cos alpha, minus into minus plus x cos alpha, x p, next cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha, p cos square alpha and p cos square, and next small condition, minus shifted to left hand side plus x cos alpha plus y sin alpha, minus shifted to right hand side, p are common, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. And normal form and most important, first one, and this distance are p cos alpha, p sin alpha, p cos alpha comma p sin alpha. Normal m, perpendicular minus 1 by m, y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1, and same condition, y minus y1 p sin alpha equal to minus 1 by m means cos alpha shifted to numerator, minus cos alpha by sin alpha, sin alpha shifted to left hand side, y sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha, x cos alpha, clear, minus into minus plus p cos square alpha, minus p sin square alpha shifted to right hand side, p plus p sin square alpha, p are common, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. And next same symmetric form, small condition, same formula, x minus x1 by x minus x, direct x equal to x1 plus r minus r cos theta, y equal to y plus r minus r sin theta. Can you write the symmetric form? And this one are symmetric form. Normal form, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Symmetric form, x equal x1 plus r minus r cos theta, y1 plus r minus r sin theta. And next one, centers, centroid. First one, centroid. Once you observe that one, centroid. Can you balance this book? And this one are balancing point book or not valid. And this balancing point are only this one are balancing point. Once you observe that one, only this one are balancing point. A balancing point name centroid. A balancing point name centroid. And centroid means centroid formula proof. A, B, C. Once you observe that one. Here, A, opposite side A. Here B, opposite side B. Here C, opposite side C. Capital letter, small letter. Angle, capital. Side, small. Clear cut. And this one, AD. And can you draw the small line? E. Simple that one. And A, B, C. A point x1, y1. B point x2, y2. C point x3, y3. And this is the midpoint of BC. D is midpoint of BC. D is midpoint of BC. And formula x2 plus x3 by and next same condition y2 plus y3 by 2 y2 plus y3 by 2 y2 plus y3 by once you observe that one, this is the midpoint. What is the meaning of centroid? Centroid meaning medians midpoint meeting point means medians midpoint means this is also midpoint medians and this is the centroid and condition and this one and this is centroid means medians midpoint meeting point. All three midpoints meeting point is simple. Three midpoints meeting point is centroid and centroid formula proof. And x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. And this distance denoted with this distance 2:1. Why are you taking the distance at 2:1? Small condition. AB by DE equal to AG by GD. AB by D. Once you observe that these two lines parallel, okay. But WD lines 2DA. AB equal to 2DE. DE cancel. And final answer AG by GD equal to 2:1 ratio. And this divide 2:, centroid dividing ratio 2:1 ratio. Clear cut. Section formula. Next 2 into next same section formula. A point x1 y1 point D x2 plus x3 by 2 y2 plus y3 by 2 and dividing with 2 into x2 plus x3 by 2 plus 1 into x1 divided by 2 plus 1. 2 and 2 are cancelled. Next one. Same. 2 into y2 plus y3 plus y1 divided by 2 plus 1. 2 and 2 are cancelled. Once you observe that one, what is the formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Next formula y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. And this is the centroid proof. Once you observe that one, what is the centroid? Medians meeting point. 2:1 dividing ratio. x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. Opposite side A. Clear cut. 2:1 ratio. Clear. Next, section formula. M into mx2 plus nx1 by m plus 1. Clear cut. Here x2, x1. 2 into x2 plus x3. 2 and 2 are cancelled. 2 plus 1, 3. Same. Y condition also same condition. And centroid are completed. And next to in center. And once you observe that one, centroid small condition. Centroid always acute angle, acute triangle, obtuse triangle, and right angle triangle. Centroid are always inside. Any chances to centroid are always outside. Centroid are always outside. Book are not balancing. Centroid are only inside, book are balancing. And what is the meaning of centroid? Balancing point. Inside only balancing, outside are not balancing. So centroid are always inside. Next to in center. In center. What is the meaning of in center? Angle. Angle bisecting meeting point. Bisecting means what is the meaning of bisecting? Bisecting means cutting into two equal parts. Angle bisecting means angle cutting into two equal parts. This angle suppose 90 degrees, cutting into 45, 60 degrees, cutting into 30 into 30. Angle cutting into two equal parts. And in center means angle cutting into two equal parts. Clear? Next one, opposite A, and this side B, C, and this B. Here B, C, A, C, B, A. Small conditions: opposite A, opposite B, opposite C. Same. Capital, small. Clear? Here side dividing ratios. Next, A side dividing ratio B plus C. A side dividing ratio A. Okay. What is the formula? AX1 Y1, BX2 Y2, CX3 Y3. AX1 Y1, BX2 Y2, CX3 Y3. What is the point? Condition. Dividing ratio, BC dividing ratio, C x3 into C x3 into next one plus B C x3 bx2. Clear? Divide by B plus C. Same. CY3 B y2 divided by B plus C, and same. And this is the point D. Point D. Point A, x1, y1. Both dividing ratio B plus C, comma A. And this is the dividing ratio B plus C and A. Dividing ratio B plus C into CX3 plus Bx2 divided by B plus C plus A into x1. B plus C are common. Same, x series also same. X series also same. B plus C into CY3 by2 divided by B plus C plus plus A by 1. Here divide by A plus B plus C divided by A plus B plus C. B plus C are cancelled. Remaining point AX1 plus BX2 plus CX3 divided by A plus B plus 3. Same. YA series also same. What is the formula? AX1 BX2 plus CX3 divided by A plus B plus 3. Next, AY1 BY2 CY3 divided by A plus B plus C. What is the meaning of in center? In center means angular bisecting meeting point. Formula AX1 BX2 CX3 by A plus B plus C. And next, small conditions, most important, and orthocenter point and circumcenter. What is the meaning of orthocenter and circumcenter? Then same, in center also always inside, acute, obtuse, right angle, triangle. Orthocenter and circumcenter. Orthocenter and circumcenter. Orthocenter and circumcenter. Orthocenter means circumcenter. Perpendicular bisecting meeting point. Orthocenter. Can you draw the orthocenter? Same opposite. Starting vertex opposite side touching to the altitudes meeting point. Altitudes meeting point. A, B, C. A, B, C. Hey, perpendicular bisecting meeting point. Bisecting point. Meeting point. Altitudes meeting point. Altitudes meeting point. And once you observe that one, are the acute obtuse right triangle. Obtuse right angle triangle. And acute obtuse. Orthocenter inside. H inside, same. Inside. Outside, same. Outside. And here small difference. Orthocenter means here. This is the orthocenter point. And circumcenter means midpoint of hypotenuse. Midpoint of hypotenuse. Acute angle inside. Obtuse angle means this is the obtuse angle. And both are outside conditions. Both are outside. A, B, circumcenter A outside, orthocenter A outside. Right angle triangle. And this is the orthocenter point, midpoint of hypotenuse or circumcenter. Then various center forms are completed. Orthocenter, circumcenter, and incenter, centroid, and 9-point circle. Feuerbach circles. 9-point circle, Feuerbach circle, and Klimberg center. So many names. Euler line, centroid, divide with 2:1 ratio proof. Centroid divide 2:1 ratio, and Euler line, Klimberg center, Klimberg, Euler line, 9-point circle, Feuerbach circle. Clear. And once you observe that one, orthocenter points. Orthocenter, circumcenter, medians meeting point, centroid, same. Here also centroid like that one. Orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter, centroid. 3 lines. And first point. Incenter also formed. Work. Same lines. Draw the same lines. Clear. First one. First point. Second point. Midpoint. Same. Midpoint. Same. Midpoint. And total 9 points. And this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then this is the 9-point circle. Centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter. And dividing ratio, Euler line dividing ratio 2:1. Actually this is deleted previous year. Just Klimberg Euler line, Fairway circle, 9-point circle, 9 points circle, center, orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter formed a 9-point circle, and this is Klimberg center.